Hi, it's Brian Smedley here, and I want to teach you how to make a silk dye tube, and we're going to be producing this silk. So what I've done, I've used either drawing paper or printer paper, and your actual tube will be this size. But what you want to do is cut a portion off your tube. You take this and you want to tape around it like so. Back out. And that's about what you need. And then you're going to tape it just a little bit down from the or where you can center it like that. So we're going to do that. We're going to tape that down. You're holding it like that. Now to show both sides like this. But first we're going to load our silk. I leave just a little out of the tip so I can grab it with my thumb. Now you palm it off. I kind of hold my fingers at an angle. Now you show the front, and you show the back, then you roll it. Say the magic words, abracadabra, alakazam. And then you produce large silk and roll it. And there you have it. That's how to make an impromptu, quick illusion, the production of the silk.